To our beloved community, welcome to DC Design. Many of you either know us personally, have come to know us personally through a specific initiative that we've worked on together, or on your quest to deepen your social impact, have come across our work. Either way, I want to take a few minutes right now to introduce or reintroduce you to DC Design. As people grow and change, we have as well. And I want to make sure that you're aware of what to expect from us going forward. DC Design is a social impact strategy and design consulting firm, and we work to support you. You, the people on the front lines of addressing America's biggest problems. You, the people working to address the root causes of poverty, poor human health, and inequality. You, the people who are making sure America's communities can thrive. We are strong believers that America's issues are not insurmountable if a dedicated community comes together to address them hand in hand. We believe that you are that community, and we support you in 3 ways. The first is strategy. We help you to develop strategy for overcoming the issues you face in our criminal justice, foster care, education, healthcare, housing, and other social systems. We help to make sure that the people at the table during those strategy sessions are the right people, especially those who are often left out of the strategy process. And we help you to make sure that the initiatives you design have buy-in from the different stakeholders who need to be involved to give them the best chance to succeed. We use a process that we've developed, built on a foundation of design thinking and fortified over years of working alongside communities to create change, called multi-stakeholder design for social impact. We bring that process to the table in all of our work. The second is design. Once a strategy has been developed, we help you to design services and apps that can meet the needs of the communities that you serve. We help to make sure that the stakeholders that you want to engage are on board from the beginning. And we help you craft safe-to-fail experiments, things that you can launch to get feedback before you have to launch your initiative on the world stage. And 3, through the work we do, we've developed a number of different frameworks, philosophies, and methods for creating social change. We focus on creating lasting social impact, things that will exist beyond the first or second engagement by focusing on the structure of lasting change. And as we learn these new methods and philosophies, we also teach them to you. For our high schoolers, we have Design the Future, a program that teaches students how to design and manufacture products for and with people with disabilities. And we have offerings for adults as well. Whether you're an individual working on an issue that's important to you, or you're part of a government, foundation, or nonprofit, we can teach you new methods that help you create a positive and lasting social impact. We've worked side by side with you over the years to develop and implement these methods of support, whether that was by working with you, Santa Clara County, to develop your 3-year strategy for jail reentry. You, the Central Valley Foundation and the school districts you serve, to improve educational outcomes for English language learners. Or you, the Obama Foundation, to design and develop curriculums for community leadership corps members to create lasting impact in communities across America. We are excited about the work that we've been able to do with this community so far, but what we're really excited about are the opportunities ahead. We're looking forward to being in greater touch with you, to understanding more about your challenges, to showing you more of the insights that we've gained and more of the work that this community is doing to create change. I want to make sure that we understand each other, that we know each other going forward, and that starts today. I want to introduce you to the DC Design team.
My name is Libby Johnson, and I'm Director of Operations and Lead Designer at DC Design.
I'm Ileana Paz, Marketing Coordinator.
Hey everyone, I'm Steve Takamura. I'm the Finance Manager for DC Design and Design the Future.
Hey everyone, I'm Eliza Peters, and I am DC Design's Executive Assistant and Design the Future Program Coordinator.
And I'm Darrell Coleman, founder and CEO of DC Design, creator of Design the Future. As we move forward, we have an opportunity to do things differently, to address the issues that have kept us from creating lasting change, to work with one another, to learn from one another, and to truly create a world where everyone can reach their fullest potential. We're excited to work alongside you to make that world a reality.